Ready ka na ba mag-punch list? So guys, kung pinanood nyo ang Punch Listing 101 series namin, by this time naman siguro may idea na kayo kung ano ang mga dapat tingnan sa pinagawa nyo kay contractor. May ilang tips and tricks lang kami na gustong idagdag for your benefit. Una, it's good to make your own punch list form kung saan nakakategorize na ang mga items by category or pwede rin namang by location. After categorizing, you can list your questions that you can ask yourself while observing. Example, sa category ng doors and windows, ilagay mo yung tanong na, okay ba ang locking mechanism? If okay, lagyan mo lang ng check. If may nakita kang issue, be as detailed about the concern as possible. Make sure rin na may kasama kayong engineer or may enough na knowledge sa construction para silang mag-guide sa inyo during inspection. Pwede nyo silang tanungin kung ano yung mga tamang terms na gagamitin. Tandaan nyo na after punch listing, dapat may final inspection pa. Dapat may sarili kayong copy ng punch list form nyo na pwede nyong gawing reference during final inspection para ma-check kung nagawa ba ni contractor lahat ng request. And yan lang muna guys. We hope na kahit papaano ay makatulong itong aming Punch Listing 101 series para mas maging handa kayo sa punch list day niyo. To learn more, watch the next episode. Join our Kabahay Community Facebook group to learn more.